We are just leaving this campsite on the exit from Tillman's Pass, which is way up there, and it's a long day today. We've got to get all the way down to the river down here, but it means getting over this enormous landslide area, which I'm not sure if you can see from this vantage point. Yeah, I mean, it's basically the whole of the next kind of kilometre or so. This grassy area just ends, and it's just glacial erosion and landslides. And so we're going to, you can see Gilly and Mathi up there hiking up. So we're going to hike up and see if it's any better at getting over at the top. And then if that's not, then we may have to work our way down onto the glacier itself and along, which kind of sucks. So it's going to be a long day. I think there's another really sketchy section as well further on that we could see, but it's a nice day, beautiful views, and yeah. Tonight we should be in Kanchenjunga, which is quite a big town, lots of hotels. Should be able to have a shower, which is nice. So today could have gone better. We were supposed to hike down from the campsite to the river, cross the river, down the river to Kanchenjunga, which is a nice little town which has tea houses and hot showers and good food. What actually happened was we hiked down to the river, which took maybe 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, and then the river was just too much water to cross. It was just too dangerous to cross. We thought about it for a long time, and then backtracked to where we hoped there was a bridge, and there is a bridge, but we're kind of on the confluence of two rivers, so we would actually have to cross the other river to get to the bridge. So we backtracked up the other river, which was the river we just walked down, to try and find a safe crossing point. And I think we took 5 hours, probably 2.5 hours back going up and another couple of hours coming back down. Couldn't find a crossing point ever at all. So we are camped on this side of the river, and we're going to try again in the morning. These rivers are fed by glaciers, so during the day the sun heats them and makes them melt, and the river level goes up, and overnight it stops melting, so hopefully there'll be a lot less water in the river. We're going to try it for 5 a.m. See if we can wade across, or see if we can somehow get across the other river so that we can get to the bridge. Not what I wanted to happen today, really. This is a bit of a nightmare. It's alright, we've got some spare food, and things are okay for a couple of days, but hopefully we'll get across tomorrow morning.